Good morning, students. Today we are going to start mathematics chapter 1. In HS second year, mathematics first chapter is relation and function. This relation and function, actually it is little bit, we need the knowledge of HS first year, that is class 11's knowledge. So first we are going to revise this one. So today's chapter we are going to write, this chapter is relation and function. Relation and function. This is the name of this chapter. Relation and function. Already we have learned relation, it is the relation between two sets. Two sets relation they are telling. Functions, that is function, one definition is there of two sets, two or more sets. রিলেশন ফাংশন মানে বোঝায় যে দুইটা বা তার থেকেও বেশি সেটের সম্পর্ক, সেটা হচ্ছে রিলেশন। ডেফিনিশন আছে, ডেফিনিশনটাও আমরা রিভাইজ করব। ফাংশন এটাও হচ্ছে একটা সেট থেকে আরেকটা সেটের মধ্যে একটা নির্দিষ্ট ওয়েতে যে সম্পর্ক থাকে, সেই এক স্পেশাল টাইপ অফ রিলেশন যেটা, সেটাকে বলা হয় ফাংশন। তো রিলেশনটা কি, already we have discussed that thing in class 11, so now we are again going to revise that one. Relation is what? Suppose two set A and B, Cartesian product of two set A and B, তাদের Cartesian product আমি নিলাম, and any subset of that Cartesian product is called relation. So what is relation? Relation is what? Any subset, any one of the subset of A and Cartesian product of A and B is called relation. Relation মানে কাকে বলে? যে A cross B বলে একটা নতুন সেট বানানো যায়, সেই সেটের যে কোনো একটা অংশ যদি নেই, সেটা হচ্ছে রিলেশন। ফাংশন কি? যে রিলেশনের মধ্যে একটা স্পেশাল কোয়ালিটি থাকবে, স্পেশাল সম্পর্ক থাকবে, সেটা হচ্ছে কি? যে এ রিলেশন ইজ কল্ড এ ফাংশন ইফ এনি এলিমেন্ট অফ ফার্স্ট সেট হ্যাজ ইউনিক ইমেজ ইন সেকেন্ড সেট। মানে সেট এর থেকে যে কোনো একটা জিনিস নিলাম, প্রত্যেকটার একটা ইমেজ আমি বিতে পাবো, তখন তাকে কি বলে? ফাংশন। তো ফাংশনটা পরে বললে হয়, আগে রিলেশনটা জানলাম। রিলেশন মানে কি? রিলেশন হচ্ছে যে এ ক্রস বি, কার্টেসিয়ান প্রোডাক্ট অফ এ এন্ড বি, তার যে কোনো এক টুকরা নিলাম, সেটা হবে রিলেশন। নাও উই আর গোয়িং টু গিভ ওয়ান এক্সাম্পল। সাপোজ এ হ্যাজ এলিমেন্ট 1, 2, B has element AB. Then A cross B is what? 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B. Then, if I write R1, 1A, খালি একটা জিনিস নিলাম, only one element we have taken of A cross B. This is called what? A relation. Another set, if we take, suppose 1B, 2A, এটা আরেকটা রিলেশন। তো এইভাবে কতটা রিলেশন মানতে পারবো, এটাও একটা ফর্মুলা আছে, ক্লাস 11-এ পড়ে এসেছি। সেটা হলো 2 to the power নাম্বার অফ এলিমেন্ট ইন সেট এ ইন্টু নাম্বার অফ এলিমেন্ট ইন সেট বি। তো এখানে কয়টা রিলেশন বানানো যাবে? এর মধ্যে কয়টা? দুইটা এলিমেন্ট আছে, 1 and 2, and in B there are also 2 elements, so 2 to the power 4, that is 16 relation we can make. So we can make how many relation? 16 relation. Now if we take 5, that is null set. Suppose R1 is 5, null set. Null set is subset of any set. Null set is what? Subset of any set. Then This null set is called empty relation. Empty relation. তো আমরা কি অনেক রিলেশন বানাতে পারি, এর মধ্যে যে রিলেশনটার মধ্যে কোনো এলিমেন্ট থাকে না সেও কিন্তু এই এ ক্রস বির একটা সেট, তো সাবসেট। সো এটাকে বলা হবে কি এমটি রিলেশন। আবার সাপোজ এ R16 is A cross B. A cross B is was itself a subset of A cross B. একটা সেট তার নিজের সাবসেট হতে পারে। তো আমার A cross B যেটা তার নিজেরই সাবসেট, তখন তাকে আমরা কি বলবো? ইউনিভার্সাল রিলেশন। Then it is also a relation is called universal relation. তো আমরা দুইটা জিনিস শিখলাম। Empty relation is what? A relation where no element is there is called empty relation. A relation where set A cross B itself is there, then it is called universal relation. So we have learned these things: empty relation and universal relation. Empty name itself implies that no element in the relation, and universal means total A cross B, it is total Cartesian product we are going to find. Now we are going to do reflexive relation. তো অনেক রিলেশন আছে, দুইটা রিলেশনের আমরা ডেফিনেশন জেনে নিয়েছি। নাও উই আর গোয়িং টু ডিফাইন অ্যানাদার ওয়ান। দিস ইজ কল্ড রিফ্লেক্সিভ রিলেশন। হোয়াট ইজ রিফ্লেক্সিভ রিলেশন? Let R be a relation on set A. What is R? R is a relation. On which set? Here A and B both is A. That is A cross A you have to find. Then this R can be called as reflexive. আরটা কি বলতে পারবো? রিফ্লেক্সিভ বলতে পারবো ইফ কন্ডিশন, এই সিম্বলটা হচ্ছে ফর এনি এ বিলংস টু এ কমা এ বিলংস টু আর। তো হোয়াট উই হ্যাভ ফাউন্ড দ্যাট আর একটা রিলেশন যেটা সেট এর মধ্যে রিলেশনটা তৈরি হয়েছে, দ্যাট ইজ আর ইজ হোয়াট? সাবসেট অফ এ ক্রস এ। Then this R can be called as reflexive relation if we take any element A in set A such that A, A belongs to R. যদি আমরা A, এই টাইপের জিনিস আমরা পেয়ে যাই, তখন আমরা সেই রিলেশনটাকে রিফ্লেক্সিভ রিলেশন বলবো। So suppose here this example, suppose B is also this. So here A cross A, we are going to find A cross A will be what? 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2. Now if I take that, suppose R1 I have written 1 1 1 2 2 2. In this example you see that is it a subset of this A cross A? Yes, of course, because 1 1 is there, 1 2 is there, 2 2 is there, only 2 1 is not there. Here 1 is there in set A, 1 1 is also found in R, 2 is there in set A, 2 2 is also found. Other extra thing is there, no problem. But if we get the same elements repetition is there, 1 1 2 2, if 3 is there, 1 1 2 2 3 3 is also there, then this relation is called reflexive relation. So this is our what we found? Reflexive relation. So reflexive relation is what? Let R be a relation on a set A if we get any element small letter A in set A such that A, if we found in R, then this R is called reflexive relation. Special name is given if this quality is satisfied. Now we are going to describe symmetric relation. You have to copy this one from, you can copy directly from your textbook, NCERT book, or you can write directly from me also. Now we are going to symmetric relation. First we have learned what? Reflexive. Now we are going to define symmetric. Symmetric is what? Let R be a relation on A is called reflexive, symmetric, if AB belongs to R, then BA is also belongs to R. What is the meaning of this one? R is a set on a relation on a set A. R is what? R is any relation on the set A. If we find AB in R, any element may be there in R, then if BA is also there, for AB in the R, if we get BA is also within R, then this R is called what? Symmetric relation. Example, with that one also we can take. Suppose R2 is a relation 1 1 1 2 2 1. Here you see that 1 1 is within the set R2. Its reverse is what? Again 1 1, so it is within the R. 1 2, it is within the R2. Its reverse is what? 2 1, it is within the R. Then it is called what? Symmetric. So for symmetricity, what quality should be? That for every elements, their reverse also should be there. 2 1 1 2. Suppose 3 2 2 3 should be there. So if this quality they maintains, then this relation is called what? Symmetric relation. Now we are going to describe another relation, that is transitive there. So now we are going to describe transitive. So new relation we are going to describe. It is what? Transitive. Let R be a relation on A is called transitive. New name. First we have learned reflexive, then symmetric, then transitive. Transitive, if AB, BC belongs to R, then AC should be within R. What is the condition here? AB, BC. You will find that a similarity is there. BB should be same. In the first element, that second one of the first pair is equal to the first element of second pair. If we find this type of things within the R, then we can say, that is, if AC we found within R, then only we can say it is transitive. That means they have said, যদি এটা আমার থাকে তাহলে এটা থাকলেই আরটাকে ট্রানজিটিভ বলবো, না হলে বলবো না। আমি আবার বলছি, এটা যদি থাকে আর এর মধ্যে, তাহলে এটা থাকলে মানে কমন এলিমেন্টটা বাদ দিলে যেটা হবে সেটা যদি আর এর থাকে, তখন আরটাকে আমরা ট্রানজিটিভ রিলেশন বলবো। এক্সাম্পল দিলে ক্লিয়ার হবে। R3, সাপোজ 1 2 2 1 1 1, এটা ট্রানজিটিভ। You see that 2 2 same, so you omit this one, 1 1, it is within this one. 2 1 1 2, if we remove 1, then 2 2 is there, so it is transitive. So we have learned what? Transitive relation. First we have learned reflexive, then symmetric, then transitive. Transitive, if this situation is there, if AB, BC, if we get within the R, then R could be what? Transitive, if this is found within the R. Now, equivalence relation, important one. If relation is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. That is what we have learned. That is a relation, if it has all the three qualities, if a relation it is reflexive, if a relation it is symmetric, if a relation if it is transitive. If three qualities if we found within a relation, then this relation is named as equivalence relation. What is equivalence relation? যে রিলেশনটার মধ্যে রিফ্লেক্সিভের কোয়ালিটি আছে, সিমেট্রিকের কোয়ালিটি আছে, আর ট্রানজিটিভিটি এটার কোয়ালিটি আছে, তখন তাকে বলা হয় ইকুইভ্যালেন্স রিলেশন. So this is our theory part of the given exercise 1.1. 1.1, if we want to do this definition, we need these things we have to learn carefully, then only we can get to do the solution of exercise 1.1. Now we will start our exercise 1.1. Determine, first I am going to read the question. You will open your book and then you can compare with this question, try to understand the question, then I will solve, then you will see that you can do or not. Determine whether each of the following relations are reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Exercise 1.1, question number 1, Roman 1. Relation R in the set A, capital letter A, is equal to 1, 2, 3, 13, 14, defined as R is equal to second bracket, and in second bracket within pair, first bracket pair x, y, such that thrice x minus y is equal to 0. আমি আবার লিখে দিচ্ছি কোশ্চেনটা, মেইন জিনিসটা এখানে বলছে যে A is a set, it's having the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 13, 14. So a set A has 14 elements, and R set it is defined like that, xy such that thrice x minus y equal to 0. Then we have to prove what? That whether R is reflexive, whether R is symmetric, whether R is transitive. If all the three qualities it have, then the name is equivalence. Now see how we can get xy should be within R if it satisfies the relation this one. Achha, thrice x minus y equal to 0 means what? Thrice x is equal to y. That is, y should be triple of x. Y টা কি? x এর 3 গুণ. তাহলে কি হবে? Suppose if we take x as value 1, then y will be what? 3 times of 1, that is 3. If we put 2 in x, then y is what? 3 into 2, that is 6. If we put x is 3, then y will be what? 3 times of 3, that is 9. If we put 4, then y will be what? 12. Now, if I put x equal to 5, you can put x equal to 1 to 14. But problem is what? X, y both should be within A. If we put 5, then 5 3s are what? 15. Y is not found within the A. So you cannot take x as 5. Your R is up to this much. So how we have done? That if we put x equal to 1, we get y is 3. How? From these things. If we put x equal to 2, we get y is 6. If we put 3, y is 9. If we put 4, y is 12. So 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. Now see whether we are getting 1, 1, 2, 2, ... 14, 14. Is this type of things, is it found within R? No. This 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, ... 14, 14, not found within R. So R is not reflexive. What we get? That we are not getting in this R 1, 1, 2, 2. এখানে তো নেই এই ধরনের কিছু, থাকলে এটা রিফ্লেক্সিভ হতো, সব থাকতে হবে, দেন ইট ইজ রিফ্লেক্সিভ। তো নেই তো, একটাও তো হচ্ছে না, সো ইট ইজ নট রিফ্লেক্সিভ। সাপোজ হেয়ার 1 3 1 3 বিলংস টু আর, বাট 3 1 নট ফাউন্ড উইদিন আর। 1 3 আছে, 3 1 নেই। তো এরকম একটা থাকলে সো আর ইজ নট সিমেট্রিক। সো আর ইজ নট সিমেট্রিক, আর সিমেট্রিক না, কারণ 1 3 3 1 থাকতে হবে, 2 6 6 2 থাকতে হবে, 3 9 9 3 থাকতে হবে, 4 12 12 4 থাকতে হবে, তো নেই এখানে, সো আর ইজ নট সিমেট্রিক। নেক্সট 1 3 3 9 belongs to R. 1 3 3 9 we are found. Now these two are common. Shall I get 1 9 belongs to R? No, not within R. So R is not transitive. R transitive না। তো কি পেলাম এখানে আমরা? Neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Why? Because this type of things not found within R. 1 3 within R, 3 1 not within R. 1 3 3 9, these things common. So 1 9 not found within R, so R is not transitive. So this is the answer of our first question, that is exercise 1.1, question number 1, Roman 1. Now we will do the second sum. So in the second sum, that is Roman 2, I am going to read this question. Relation R in set n of natural numbers defined as R is equal to xy, y is x plus 5, x less than 4. So then we have to prove that we have to check whether it is reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Now we are going to write n is our set. So n is what? Natural number. So of course 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, 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 no end. R is given what? xy. And another thing is what? Y is what? X plus 5. And x is what? Less than 4. This is our R. R is what? xy. Y is what? X plus 5. X is what? Less than 4. Now we are going to write. X they said what? Less than 4. So less than 4 to 1 we can put. If we put x is equal to 1, then here y becomes 1 plus 5, that is 6. Then if we put 2 value of x, then y becomes 7. If we put 3, then y becomes 8. If we put, now we cannot put more than this one because x is less than 4. We cannot try to get the more things which is x is equal to 4 or greater than 4. So of course we have to bind up to 4. So our R is what? 1 6 2 7 3 8. So we are not getting what? 1 1 2 2 3 3. This type of things not found within R. So R is not reflexive. R reflexive না, এগুলা পাওয়া যায় না। 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 এগুলা নেই এখানে। Next 1 6 belongs to R, but 6 1 it is not within R. So R is what? Not symmetric. Symmetric or not. Now one thing. Shall I get, suppose 1 6, 6 something we are not getting, 2 7, 7 something we are not getting. So what we have to write? If ABBC belongs to R, then for ABBC belongs to R, then AC if belongs to R, then R is transitive. See the tricks of the here. ABBC if we get, then for R being transitivity of R, AC should be within R. So we too cannot make this type of pair like that. 1 6 6 something we cannot make. Then 2 7 7 something not there. 3 8 8 something not there. If we get then it is. If we don't make this one, then so automatically we have to say R is transitive. Therefore R is transitive. Here you have to minutely watch that word of this one, that if we get ABBC within R, then AC should be within R for getting what? R is transitive. So if we don't make this one, here too we cannot make, then we have to declare that it is transitive. We cannot say that is that other than that one. So this is our question number 2 of this one exercise. Yes, now we will do third sum. So any doubt, anything, you can ask in the group also. So try to understand important chapter. And one thing it is, all questions are coming from directly from exercise, so it is one advantage you can get. Now question number Roman 3, relation R in set A is equal to set containing element 1 2 3 4 5 6 in R, as R is what? XY, Y is divisible by X. So now we are going to write A is what? 1 2 3 4 5 6. R is what? XY. Y is what? Y is divisible by X. So this is our, now we have to, this is our question. A is given 1 2 3 4 5 6. R is XY, Y is divisible by X. This sum we will not do the procedure as we have done in the other earlier two sums. Here we will do little different way. If we take for any A belongs to A is divisible by A. এই কথাটার মানে কি? 1 নিলাম, 1 কে 1 দিয়ে ডিভাইড যায়, 2 নিলাম, 2 কে 2 দিয়ে ডিভাইড যায়, 3 নিলাম, 3 কে 3 দিয়ে ডিভাইড যায়. So can you say A belongs to A? Of course, because XY should be within R if second one is divisible by first one. So এখানে A should be within R because A is divisible by A. Therefore R is what? Reflexive. So it is reflexive. We have not applied the procedure as we have done in the earlier two sums. Here it is little bit different way. With our presentation should be like that. XY belongs to R. Example দিয়ে দেই, এটা হবে না এর জন্য. Suppose 2 4 belongs to R. 4 কে 2 দিয়ে ডিভাইড যায়. As 4 is divisible by 2, but 2 is not divisible by 4. That is 2 comma 4 not belongs to R. Therefore R is not symmetric. 2 4 আছে, 4 2 নেই. 2 4 is within R as this one is divisible by 2. But reverse one, 4 কে 2 দিয়ে ডিভাইড যায়, 2 কে তো 4 দিয়ে ডিভাইড যায় না. তার মানে কি 4 2 জাতীয় এলিমেন্ট R এর মধ্যে থাকবে না. তার মানে 2 4 আছে, 4 2 নাই, তো এটা সিমেট্রিক না, হবে না. আচ্ছা, now transitive. ABBC belongs to R. তো কি হবে? A is divisible by B and B is divisible by C. B is divisible by A and C is divisible by B. AB belongs to R. এটা তো এই মিনিংয়ে হয় যে সেকেন্ডটা কি ফার্স্টটা দিয়ে ডিভাইড যাবে, এবার এটা কি B দিয়ে ডিভাইড যাবে, then shall I say C is divisible by A implies C is divisible by A implies AC belongs to R. ABBC R এ আছে, AC R এর মধ্যে পেলাম, implies R is what? Transitive. So this is the value of this one. So what we can do like that ABBC যদি R এ থাকে, B is also divisible by A, BC is within R, so C is divisible by B. C is, we can say it is the rule of the division. B কে A দিয়ে ডিভাইড যায়, C কে B দিয়ে, তো C কে তো A দিয়ে ডিভাইড যাবেই, তো তার মানে কি AC R এর মধ্যে রাখা যাবে, R is transitive. So student, I think today we have to conclude our class. So I think we have learned that thing. Still, if you have doubt, you can ask me in my personal mobile number. You can ask. I will again repeat. It is important one, and it is little bit different type of question it is. So that much for today.